Okay, it's time for puppy mush. Here are the puppies. And they know something's coming. Shh. All right, babies, here we go. Puppy mush time. Can your nose find it? Look, Big Red. Look. Oh, looky, babies. Look. Here we go. Look it out. Oh, somebody came running, didn't she? Come here, Hardy. Here we go. Can you smell it? All right, here we go. 6 little babies having their mush. Here you go. Can you find it? There you go, Blackie. No, you have to put your head in the bowl. Hello, boy. Hey, Miss Orange. Are you lost, honey? Uh-oh. Your brother's cut the bowl complete. There you go. Look at that. If your brother was not completely in the bowl, you might actually get some. Hey, boo-boo. Oh, look at Miss Purple. Boy, she's doing a fine job of getting her food. What a good girl, Purples. Mr. Black made a mess. Oh, imagine that. Hey, Big Red, aren't you going to get some puppy mush? Here's little blue boy. Here it is, baby. You want to get some more? You want it? You have to put your head in the bowl. Put Miss Orange over there with him. And Big Red has found it. Go, Big Red. Put Black with him. Pinky? Just got it on my nose. Help me, Granny. Help me. Can you find it, Pinky? Watch your sister. Looky there. Miss Orange is really going after it. Purple was the neatest puppy so far, I think. Here you go, Big Red. You coming out? It says, I'd rather have the bottle, Granny. Go on. There you go. We'll call Mama in just a minute. There's Baby Blue. Go on, Black. Get you some. Here. You have to look in here. Look. Here. There it is. Attaboy. Attaboy. Oh, yummy. Alright, you guys eat. I'll see if I can get Pinky some. Come here, Pink. Pinky. Come here. I know you got it on your foot. You'd rather just eat it off your foot, right? Here. There you are. That a girl? There's Miss Pinky. Yummy. Ooh. Look at little Blue's face. Well, if he could get his brother out of it. Big Red's having some. He says, this is okay. I can do this. And Miss Orange comes to help. Oops. And Mr. Black in the bowl with feet. Purple and Pink have decided they've had enough. I think they'll take a nap. And these two seem to have knocked it completely off its little stand. Oh boy, look at Miss Orange. She says, oh, I'm so hungry. I want this so bad. Orange and Red are really having a time. And Mr. Black, he likes his puppy mush. He likes it so much he's going to get in the whole bowl all by himself. Oh, Miss Orange is really doing good. She's doing great. Get a good puppy. I'll put a clean sheet down. Look at Blue's face. Hey, baby boo-boo. Miss Pink's gotten back in on this bowl. Got her foot in it. And we are 3 weeks old today. This is down at my leg. So my clean sheet is not so clean anymore. So it'll go in the wash in a minute. Ain't it big pink? And look, Miss Purple, her face is all purple. You say hello? I'm gonna get my face dirty. And these two, oh, what a mess. Little blue. Oh no, he says, my face is messy. Oh my, look at Miss Orange. He says, this is really good stuff. Orangey, show him your face, honey. Oh, look at my face. Oh dear. Oh my goodness, you can't even breathe out of your nose, can you? Here, just clean off your nose so you can breathe. There you go. And Miss Pinky's back in the bowl, and Purple's headed that way. That is Mr. Black over there. And Big Red is coming to see what they're doing. See, Pink's laying over Purple's back. So I can get a picture of her face. Hey, Pinky. Hi, Pinky. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, pretty. Mr. Black. Black. He says, I'm looking for more mush. Hey, Miss Orange. Hello, baby. So I waved my paw at you. And there goes Mr. Blue and Big Red. So there's most of the gang right there. You got 5 of the 6. And Black's back in the bowl again. And there's Blue, and Miss Orange is still eating. She loves her stuff. Oh, I think Baby Blue had a potty. Well, that's another great thing to dig your sheets, isn't it? And look at little Pink. She's just crashed out over her sister. Babies. Now we need to go get Mama to clean up the mess. Clean up all the puppies. Where you going, honey? Hi, Baby Blue. Oh, look at that big boy. Aren't you cute? Just want to do something about it, Grammy. Hi, cutie pie.